Nope, she swam away. Here, I'll give it one more and then we'll move. She's looking at mine, but didn't budge. Yeah, we blew that one. She's too smart for us. Unhooked 3 times, dude. There could be a fish just chilling right back there, dude. Oh, there is. Oh. Oh, you stuff. You're not doing that to me this time. That's a nice one, dude. See what I mean? I looked at that spot and said, there's a fish sitting there. That's a nice one, dude. Hell yeah. She's battling, bro. That's a 3-pounder at least. I'm not letting her get free. Yes, bro. This is so awesome. Oh no. Not good. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, dude. Yes. Dude. Killed it. Absolutely murdered it. I gotta. Dude, this fish has got such a small mouth for how big it is. For real. Straight up mama. Yeah, buddy. Fish number 1. Nice, healthy mama smallie. Looked like a spot of fish would be sitting, cast it, and bang. Let's get a good release. Yeah, buddy. It's like every time, it's like you see where they would want to be, and it's there. It's going to be hard to fish this one, though. We got to go over here and cast along shore. Should be able.
What are you on? Hey.
Oh. Oh, that's your braid. All right, let's see if I can get this one. It's in a hard spot. The current might not get me down there, but still got to try. She might just come up and gobble it. I hooked weeds, damn it. You see her though? It's another 3-pounder, dude. That one's gonna be tough to get to.
Oh, there it is.
Yes, dude. Not as big as I thought. It's crazy, man.
Right in front of me, dude.
It's so sick, dude. It's so sick. It's like, it doesn't get any better than this.
What size it is, these smallies,
They just battle.
They feel like a 4-pound bass right now.
Yeah, dude. This just,
especially when they go against the current.
nothing compares to this. Like, this is like my favorite thing to do besides pike fish right here, man. It's just unreal, dude. Another nice one. Just got to be careful taking these lures off so you don't hurt them, hurt the lure. Oh, it's mangled. He just killed it. He just broke it. It's all right. Wasn't getting free though. Let's go, dude. Fish number 2. Off she goes, right back to her spot. Alright. See if my friend can catch this one. Just cast into there from like over here. See that how it's a calm spot?
That's better. Holy shit.
Look, there's the one I caught, I think, already. There's a little dink right there. Where is that her?
That's another big one right there.
No, I don't know if that's the same one that was just over here. I don't see this one anymore. That might be her right there.
No, I see one right here.
Oh, yeah. There's two. Dude, look, there's a nice sitting in the weeds right here. It's hard to tell. There's another one. There's three.
Dude, there's so many.
Dude, that's a nice fish there too, man. There's two chunkies. There's actually three. Yeah. This one's smaller. Yeah, that one is the one I was just trying for. She's big. I think this is the one I just caught when I was here. Although it looks bigger than that dink I caught. Oh, there's another big one over here, dude. What? What? Dude, this is insane. We have fish every 5 feet. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. No. I gotta switch my color up, dude. This is too flashy. Alright, there she is. Oh, just not the right angle. There's another nice one right here. Oh, he's looking at it. He's going up to it. Come on. She's coming back. She's coming back. Swim up to it. She's looking at it. She's staring right at me, so I don't. Nope. So close. There's another one over here. Oh, she ate it, but I missed it. Oh. It's just crazy that there's big smallies staring at me. She's swimming up to it. Oh, she was in pursuit. Come on, get it. She's looking at it. She's like an inch from my lure. Eat it. Oh, crazy. Got this smaller one here. Man, talk about drive you insane. She's looking at my lure again. So is this one. Eat it. Oh, she swiped at it, but I didn't set the hook. It didn't have a hook. Crazy, man. Let's see if it happens this time. Nope. Swiped, but I missed it again. Let's try this other one again. She's looking at it. There we go. Sorry, swim with it. Let's see if I can bring it in without losing it. Yes. Man, they fight hard. Alright, I don't want to lose this one. She tried to jump. This is at least 3 pounds. At least 3 pounds. Yes, dude. Unreal. This is unreal, dude. Look at that smallie. This is insane, dude. This is insane. Look at that. This is just so fun. You can't beat this. This is what dreams are made of. Let's get a good release on this big girl. Unreal, man. What a beautiful fish. All right, go back to your bed, girl. Yeah. Oh, she's looking at it. See if she comes back. Oh, she's coming back. Oh, so close. So close, man. That one's a nice one over there. See if she'll come. She's coming. I got her.
Yes, dude. Oh, she got off again.
Oh. Damn. These fish are crazy, bro. Safe to say that one's probably not going to bite again. Oh, he ate it, but I missed it. This one's not small. It's just smaller than the other ones. See if I can get this one to eat again. Man, will she bite again? I hooked her. Might be the second time today. I don't know if that's the same one. She's going out to it again. Oh, another one hit. Different fish bit it. Dude, this is insane. It's another nice one. That one came out of nowhere. Oh, Oh man, they fight so hard. I'm gonna have to retie my setup so I don't break off. Man, for such a... Man, these fish fight hard, dude. It's another nice one. Let's go. This is insane. This is insane. Ow. Get that. Another beautiful smallie, man. I'm so glad I got the chance to fish here today, because this is what we're here for. This is amazing. Let's go. Another nice smallie. This is amazing, man. Alright. Oh, there are many weeds. My bad, little guy. Off he goes. Uh-oh. Hell yeah, dude, that's a big one.
I got the clownfish.
Yes! You caught the clownfish? Dude, that's a big fish, man. Looks way bigger than it did in the water. Doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that's a beautiful fish right there, man. No, that's not the weird looking one.
I swear.
That's a big one though, dude. It's pushing 2.5, easy. Yes, dude.
I'm gonna turn my camera off too.
Hell yeah, dude. That was random. I didn't even see that one. Hell yeah, dude. Gee, it's alright. You made the video, bro. You made the cut. Let's go.
I thought it was a clownfish. I got so excited.
Dude, that's a nice bass though. And it's like that was right under our noses.
Right. Well, I came back over here, I hit the bank, and then I looked up, I saw the fish, I thought it was a clown guy.
It's crazy. That other one is somewhere else. I don't see it anymore. Told you, by the bridge, when there's structure like that, fish hang out that way, man. Off he goes. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it is. It is.
Dude, I thought it was.
Isn't it crazy?
It looks so different. And
When it was not in the water, it looks like a completely different fish, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing, man. All right, I see this fish clear as day. It's just a matter of getting to him. I changed my lure. Oh. That's not good. Anyways, I changed my lure to this blue and red one. See if that gets the job done. It looks kind of angry. Let's see if he goes for it. Oh, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh, he took a little nibble of it. Not enough for me to set the hook though. He's still following it though. He liked it, or she liked it. I think if I cast from over here, I get a better angle. Yeah, I think if I cast from over here, I get a little better angle. Can't see it now though. Oh, she ate it. That was awesome. I saw it all happen too. Oh, I got off. Oh, I had her. As soon as she got in the current, she did a little flip and unhooked herself. Damn.